Hello and welcome to our video on the top 9 amazing benefits of saffron tea for health. Saffron is a highly prized spice, known for its unique flavor and bright color. But did you know that it also has numerous health benefits? In this video, we will explore the top 9 benefits of drinking saffron tea, from its ability to reduce stress and improve mood to its potential to lower blood pressure and boost heart health. Be sure to watch until the end, because I'll also share the best recipe to prepare it. So if you're ready, let's get started. Saffron originated in Greece and is known for its medicinal properties. One thing you should know: saffron is the most expensive spice in the world. This is due to the labor-intensive harvesting methods, which increase the production cost. It is used as a valuable culinary ingredient that offers a lot of health benefits. Saffron tea is an herbal tea brewed from the dried stigmas of the saffron flower. Let's see the amazing benefits of consuming saffron tea regularly. Number 1. Great source of antioxidants. Saffron tea contains many different antioxidants and plant compounds that can provide many benefits to our bodies. It can protect your cells against free radicals and oxidative stress, which reduces the risk of inflammation and certain chronic diseases. Saffron tea contains potent and unique antioxidants such as camphorol, saffronal, and quercetin. It is also a great source of carotenoid antioxidants. All these help to improve your health in many different ways. Number 2. Work as an antidepressant. You may be surprised, but consuming saffron tea is often used to improve mood. Studies have shown that the use of saffron is able to affect the hormonal balance in the brain. It can give positive effects on mood, anxiety, and symptoms of depression. Drinking a cup of this tea in the morning can also help to increase energy levels. Number 3. Good for the heart. Saffron tea is rich in quercetin, which is known for its rich antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Several studies have shown that quercetin helps in reducing the cholesterol level in the blood. It can also help to promote the overall health of our blood vessels and arteries and prevent clogging. Number 4. Cancer-fighting properties. Saffron tea is high in antioxidants, which help neutralize harmful free radicals. Free radical damage has been linked to chronic diseases, such as cancer and rheumatoid arthritis. It helps to kill cancer cells while leaving normal cells unharmed. Number 5. Helps improve memory. Due to its rich compound called crocus, saffron tea is known to improve concentration and memory. It can reduce the deposition of plaque in the brain and lower your risks of neurodegenerative diseases. In order to get its maximum benefits, it is always drinking saffron tea. Number 6. Reduce PMS symptoms. Saffron is known for its rich antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Drinking saffron tea helps to treat PMS symptoms, such as irritability, headaches, cravings, pain, and anxiety. Also, the hormonal effects of saffron tea can help menstruating women experience reduced painful cramps. Number 7. Reduce appetite and aid weight loss. Drinking saffron tea is also effective at reducing appetite and cravings. This will help to promote healthy weight loss and weight management. Various studies have found that saffron tea is very weight loss friendly. Those individuals who consumed saffron tea felt more full and snacked less often throughout the day. To get maximum results, be sure to combine saffron tea with a healthy diet and moderate exercise. Number 8. Act as an aphrodisiac. Saffron tea has natural aphrodisiac properties which can help to boost libido. When consumed consistently, saffron tea may be able to help significantly improve erectile function and libido. Saffron tea can also help to improve blood circulation, which makes it helpful in this regard as well. Lastly, improve skin. As saffron tea has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which help to maintain skin condition. It can help clear up skin conditions, such as psoriasis or eczema. Further, saffron helps to improve vision and boost memory. Due to all these benefits, saffron tea is very useful. Let's see the recipe to prepare saffron tea. First, simply bring 1 cup of water to a boil in a pan. Then add 4 to 5 saffron strands to the water once it has begun to boil. Reduce heat and let the mixture steep for about 10 minutes. Then let cool to your desired temperature, strain into a cup, and enjoy. Further, to enhance its benefits, you can add cinnamon and ginger to this recipe as well, if you wish. Would you like to drink saffron tea? Let us know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you like the information, then give it a thumbs up to support us, and don't forget to share it with your friends. If you want to know more about useful tips and remedies, subscribe to the channel and tap the bell icon below for getting regular updates. Stay fit, and thanks for watching this video.